Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Eureka Forbes Wet and Dry Ultimo Dual Purpose Vacuum Cleaner. There's an image of the, or rather an illustration of the vacuum cleaner right on top. You can tell from the box itself that this is a pretty large vacuum cleaner. This is a 20-liter vacuum cleaner. The gross weight is around 9 kilos for this box, and the vacuum cleaner in question will weigh around 6 kilos. So you can imagine it's a pretty large one. This is a #1 vacuum cleaner, it's written over here. 20-liter large capacity for water and dust. So this is for wet cleaning and dry cleaning, as it's mentioned right over here. Let's quickly take a look at some of the specifications. Okay, it's obscured here, so let's take a look at some of the other side, what we can find out. There you go. It says net weight is 6 kilos, gross weight is 9 kilos. Motor power is 1400 watts, so there's a 1400 watt motor inside. And airflow is 32 liters per second, voltage 220 volts, which is pretty decent for most households. Large capacity for water and dust. So this is a 20-liter vacuum cleaner. I will now open this box and show you what's inside. This is the vacuum cleaner. This is the 1400 watt vacuum cleaner in question. As you can see, it's a pretty large vacuum cleaner. It comes with this base as well. It has this stainless steel body, looks like a drum, looks like a barrel actually. And the button also comes with a protective covering right over here. So let me just take it off and show it to you. Okay, you can press it through here, so that's great. So it also comes with a pretty long cable as well. Let me take that out at least. There you go, comes with a pretty long cable. It's almost 2 meters long, more than 2 meters actually, around 3 meters in length. The dust bag that comes with it is this one. This is the dust bag that comes with it. It's a pretty large dust bag. You have to put it inside before you start working on it. The top side is made out of this red ABS plastic material. This too is shock proof. And there's a vent at the back over here that you can see. This is the vent for when the air comes out of. I'll put this back in. It's pretty hardy actually. It's pretty large and quite hardy. Not just that, there are these brackets over here. You can place your attachments over here and lock them up as well. There's also a pretty ergonomic handle for carrying it around. As I mentioned, this is 6 kilos in weight, so it's heavy but not that heavy. Okay, this base also allows it to, navigate it pretty smoothly, so that's there. Let me open this and show this to you. There are 2 knobs over here that you can use to take the top part off. I'll just do that right now. Okay, a lot of components inside, a lot of things inside. We have, this is the user guide for the Eureka Forbes Wet and Dry Ultimo vacuum cleaner. Everything that you want to know is of course mentioned over here. And this is the primary motor, the 1400 watt motor that powers this particular vacuum cleaner. This is the flexible nozzle, the most important attachment of a vacuum cleaner, the flexible nozzle that comes with it. We also have wheels. So these are the wheels that you attach to the base. I'll just show them to you. So these are the wheels that you attach to the base for when you want to move it around. There is this foam attachment right over here. You also have this particular attachment for when you want to reach far, difficult to reach crevices. This is a brush for cleaning upholstery. There you go. This is a brush for cleaning upholstery. What other things do we have? This seems like a base that you can attach. Where do you attach it? It can be attached almost anywhere, but it's an extra attachment base for your brushes and other heads. Let me put this back. So basically this particular bag, it has to go in over here. It has to go in like this. So this is where the nozzle gets connected, the flexible nozzle gets connected, and the dust bag goes in like so, and then it fills with dust when you use it, dust and other particulate matters. Now let's take a look at the other attachment that comes with this particular vacuum cleaner set. We have this is a carpet cleaning brush. I will show that to you. There you go. This is a carpet cleaning brush. There seems to be another brush over here. Okay, one is for wet floor, the other is for dry floor, let's see which is which. Yes, there we are. This one is a cleaner for your wet floors, and this one is a cleaner for your dry floors. There you go. The 2 different cleaners for 2 different purposes, wet and dry. And there you go. Finally, we have this metallic telescopic tube This basically extends whatever attachment you add to it, like so. And there are almost 12 levels of increased height. You push this and you push it back in and you're good to go. And there you go. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Eureka Forbes Wet and Dry Ultimo Dual Purpose Vacuum Cleaner. Thank you for watching.